What is up, guys? I know I haven't posted a video in a while, so I thought I'd do one while I'm messing with the Grom real quick. Actually just had to fix the blinkers on it. It wasn't really much of a fix, but my blinkers quit working last night when I rode it into town. So I just tore the headlight cover off and the resistor came unplugged, so I had no blinkers. But I just plugged it back in, so luckily I didn't need a new one, even though I have one sitting up there. So yeah, now what I'm gonna do is I got these cheap like Amazon like Shorty adjustable levers. I got them for the Rebel, but they won't work on the Rebel. So I'm gonna put them on the Grom and hopefully they'll work on the Grom. If they don't work, you won't see this video. So what I'm gonna start with here is taking a 10 mil and I'm just gonna pop this unit off for the brake there. And then I'm gonna pop that brake lever off and put that other one on. All right, so I got the front brake on. Show you this a little bit better. So all it was there's a 10 mil nut right here. I backed that off, took that all the way off, and then I put my 10 mil ratcheting wrench just on top and kind of backed that out until it was like finger loose. Popped it out, pulled the old one out, which is right there, and then put the new one on, which is like adjustable and whatnot, which I haven't messed with because I just put it on. So I'm gonna roll over the clutch side, which I'm guessing is just another 10 mil on the bottom. Right there, if you can see her. I'm hoping it's a 10 mil. I'm guessing it probably is. And then just flat head on top just to hold it. And you'll have to take your clutch cable off and fish it through your new one there. But that's mad simple too. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the clutch side now. All right, so that's with them on. This side was just about the same. Like I said, it was that flat head and then the nut on the bottom. Mine wasn't a 10 mil, but I'm guessing yours is because I noticed mine, someone must have lost the fucking nut off there and there's like a lock washer and that. But yours will probably be a 10 mil also. But I got them on. I took it for a rip down the road real quick and I set mine at 3. So that's about where I like it. On each of them it's the same. I did have to adjust the clutch a little bit. So if you have any questions with that, you back this thing off. That's like your locker. And then you twist this, and if you back it farther out, it will pull your like clutch lever out farther, if that makes sense. But I just put mine so it's like even with the other side. So yeah, I got these off Amazon for like, I don't know, 15 bucks or something, but they look decent. Like I said, I got them for the Rebel, but they didn't work on there. They are kind of cheap. Like there's a little bit of slack in it. You can probably fix that with like a washer, but for what I do, it's fine. So yeah, that was my little Amazon Shorty adjustable Shorty lever video install thing. If you like this video, go ahead, drop a thumbs up down below, and subscribe for other Grom and other motorcycle Cummins, and then like Jeep, other videos every day. Just kidding. This is my first video I uploaded in like a month. But there'll be more videos coming. So go ahead and subscribe. Until next time, I'm out.